Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Maths by Samit Deshmukh. In the last video, we have completed first 8 example from question number 3 of exercise 3.3. Now we are solving example number 9. So if you are new on my channel, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification of every newly uploaded videos. If you like the videos, please share these videos with your friends also. Now see, in this example, we have considered the left hand side. Let us simplify this left hand side to get our required result on the right hand side. So here two terms are connected by what? Plus. So to simplify it, we are taking cross multiplication. Let us see what we'll get if we are taking cross multiplication. So here what we'll get, sine 3x into sine x. Just simply we are taking cross multiplication. Sine 3x into what? Sine x. Plus again cos x into cos 3x will be equal to cos 3x into cos x, and in the denominator sin x into cos x will be equal to sin x into cos x. Just we have taken here cross multiplication. Now let us simplify it. Observe the numerator very carefully. Terms in the numerator are in the form of cos a into cos b. What is the value of a here? 3x. Check that. Same value of a is here 3x, and b is what? X. On this side also b is what? X. Means terms are in the form of cos a into cos b plus sin a into sin b. Cos a into cos b plus sin a into sin b is nothing but the formula of cos a minus b. A is what here? 3x, and b is what here? X. So again observe, cos a into cos b plus sin a into sin b will be equal to cos a minus b according to compound angle formula. And in the denominator keep this sin x into cos x as it is, so which is equals to, so in the numerator see what we are getting, cos 3x minus x will be equal to cos 2x. In the denominator sin x into cos x, keep it as it is. Now if you'll observe our required result here, what is our on the right hand side, which term is there? Cot 2x. Cot 2x means what? Cos 2x divided by sin 2x. Means if we are expressing it in terms of sin and cos, so cot will be written as what? Cos upon sin. So cot 2x can be written as cos 2x upon sin 2x. Means if we are able to get sin 2x in the denominator, then cos upon sin will become what? Cot. Means already in the numerator we have got cos 2x. Now we are trying to get sin 2x in the denominator so that we are able to get our required result. And to get sin 2x in the denominator, we have to make the use of double angle formula. Now what is in the denominator? Sin x into cos x. If I am able to arrange 2 here, then what will get? 2 sin x into cos x, and 2 sin x into cos x is nothing but the value of what? Sin 2x. So what we are doing here, we are dividing by 2. That's why I am multiplying by 2. Means I am multiplying to numerator and denominator by what? 2. So here we will get 2, and 2 is also required in our result. So here we are not disturbing to this 2 also and cos 2x also. Now observe the denominator. Denominator is in the form of 2 sin x into cos x, which is nothing but value of sin 2x according to double angle formula. So which is equal to 2, keep it as it is. Now cos upon sin will be equals to what? Cot. So cot 2x, which is nothing but our required right hand side. Now see the example number 10th. In this example, let us consider this left hand side, cos x upon 1 plus sin x. Simplifying it, we will try to get our required result, means right hand side, isn't it? So now if you observe the right hand side, x by 2 means which terms appears? Terms in half angle formula. It means the terms are in the form of half angle formula on which side? Right hand side. Means definitely we will come to know that applying half angle formula we have to solve this example. So here according to half angle formula, this cos x, check the formula of cos x. Hope all of you have prepared the list of all the formulas. So cos x can be written as cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. So value of cos x will be equals to cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. And in the denominator we are substituting the value of 1 plus sin x, again according to half angle formula. So its value will be equals to cos x by 2 plus sine x by 2 whole bracket square, which is nothing but value of what? 1 plus sine x. Now if you'll observe here numerator, check the numerator. Is it in the form of a square minus b square? A means what? Cos x by 2, and b means what? Sin x by 2. So it is in the form of a square minus b square, and we know that the factors of a square minus b square are what? A plus b into a minus b, means its factors are cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. Just simply we are finding the factor of numerator, applying which formula? A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. We are not disturbing to denominator, keep the denominator as it is, cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 whole bracket square, keep the denominator as it is. So which is equals to, now observe this it very carefully. Here cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2, and one term of cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 from denominator will get cancelled. So which is the remaining term in the numerator? Cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. And just now we have seen this term, and one term from this square will get cancelled, means remaining term in the denominator is cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. Now if you observe our required result, here two terms are connected by minus, and in the denominator two terms are connected by what? Plus. And here also in the numerator we have got minus, and denominator we have got what? Plus. Now to get our required result, observe the required result and this expression. Here which term is required? Cot x by 2. Cot means what? Cos x by 2 divided by sin x by 2. Cos x by 2 divided by sin x by 2 will be equal to what? Cot x by 2. Means to convert this expression in the form of this expression, means in the form of our required result, we have to divide to numerator and denominator by what? Sin x by 2, because cos upon sin will be equal to what? Cot. And here sin upon sin will be equal to 1, means we are able to get our required result simply dividing to numerator and denominator by sin x by 2. So here we are divide to numerator and denominator by sin x by 2. Let us see what result we are getting if we are dividing by sin x by 2. See in the numerator what we will get. So cos x by 2 divided by sin x by 2 will be equals to cot x by 2. So cos upon sin will be equals to what? Cot. So cot x by 2. Keep this minus as it is. Sin x by 2 divided by sin x by 2 is 1, because we know that sin will get cancelled. And here in the denominator cos x by 2 divided by sin x by 2 is cot x by 2. Keep this plus as it is, and sin will get cancelled. What will get? 1. And this is nothing but the result, our required result. Now see the example number 11th. In this case, consider the left hand side, and simplifying it we will require what? Sec theta. So let us simplify it. If you will observe this expression, it is in terms of what? Tan and cot. To simplify it easily, we are converting tan and cot in terms of sin and cos, and later on we will simplify it. So which is equals to tan. Tan can be written as what? Sin theta by 2 divided by cos theta by 2. Plus again cot can be replaced by cos theta by 2 divided by sin theta by 2. In the denominator also we are replacing cot by cos upon sin, because we know that cot can be written as cos upon sin. So cot theta by 2 can be replaced by cos theta by 2 minus upon sin theta by 2, and tan can be replaced by sin theta by 2 divided by cos theta by 2. Here equal to, keep it as it is. Now we are taking cross multiplication in the numerator. Let us see what we will get here. Sin theta by 2 into sin theta by 2 will be equal to sin square theta by 2, and cos theta by 2 into plus cos theta by 2 will be equal to cos square theta by 2 divided by sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. So sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. So in the denominator also we are taking here cross multiplication. Let us see what we'll get here. Cos theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 will be equal to cos square theta by 2, and sin theta by 2 into minus sin theta by 2 is minus sin square theta by 2 divided by sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 will be equal to sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Now here we can observe that this sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 and sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 from numerator and denominator will get cancelled. Now write or simplify the remaining term. Observe the numerator very carefully. Is it in the form of identity that sin square theta by 2 plus cos square theta by 2 will be equal to what? 1. Because we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. What is theta here? Theta by 2, and here also theta by 2, means same angle is there. So we can say that sin square theta by 2 plus cos square theta by 2 is equal to 1. And in the denominator we are applying half angle formula. If you will observe the first value of cos theta in half angle formula, what is the value of cos theta? Cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2, means according to half angle formula this whole term cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2 can be replaced by cos theta according to what? Half angle formula. And what is reciprocal of cos? Will be equal to sec theta, and sec theta is nothing but our required right hand side. In this way we have got our required result. Now observe the next example. In this next example, simplifying this expression, we will require what? Cot 2a. Now if we are able to get tan 2a in the denominator, means cot can be written as what? 1 upon tan. So if we are able to get tan 2a in the denominator, so its reciprocal will become what? Cot. Means to get our required result, we should have to get this result. And if you observe here angle 3a and here a, and 3a minus a will become what? 2a. Means we will simplify it in such a way that in the denominator we will get what? Tan a minus b. Means tan a means what? 3a minus a, tan 3a minus a. So let us simplify it and try to arrange the term in this form. And to simplify it or to convert the expression in terms of tan, we have to replace cot. Cot by what? Cot can be written as 1 upon tan, because we know that reciprocal of tan is what? Cot. Means cot theta can be written as 1 upon tan theta. So first we are using interrelation. So keep the first term as it is, 1 upon tan 3a minus tan a, keep it as it is, minus 1 upon this cot 3a can be written as 1 upon tan 3a minus again cot a can be written as 1 upon tan a. Just we are using interrelation between trigonometric function. So which is equals to, keep the first term as it is, 1 upon tan 3a minus tan a as it is, minus, here we are taking cross multiplication. Let us see what we'll get if we are taking cross multiplication. Tan a into 1 will be equals to tan a minus tan 3a into 1 will be equal to tan 3a, and in the denominator we will get tan 3a into tan a. So tan 3a into tan a. So which is equals to, again I am not disturbing to first term, so tan 3a minus tan a, keep it as it is. Now observe the second term. Second term we are simplifying. So try to understand the simplification part. Here this term is divided. 1 divided by, if the expression is in the form of 1 divided by a by b, then can I write it as 1 into, if we are shifting this term in the numerator, can I say that it will get multiplied, or this term is divided, if we are multiplying we have to take the reciprocal of this term. Same method we are applying here. ये term divided है, अगर multiply करेंगे तो इसका क्या आएगा? Reciprocal. So which can be written as, in the numerator we will get tan 3a into tan a, and in the denominator we will get tan a minus tan 3a. Just we are using this method. अगर a by b divided है और अगर हमने इसे मल्टीप्लाई किया तो ये हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? a by b का रेसिप्रोकल लेना पड़ेगा. And what is its reciprocal? b by a. So all these techniques you have studied in your earlier classes also. So which is equals to, now if you observe the denominator very carefully, what is the denominator of first term? Tan 3a minus tan a. And what is denominator of second term? tan a माइनस tan 3a, यहाँ पे tan 3a माइनस tan a है और यहाँ पे tan a माइनस tan 3a. To make the denominator same, if we are taking minus common, then this negative term will become positive and positive term will become negative and denominator of both the terms will become what? Same. That's why I am taking minus common from this denominator. So 1 upon tan 3a minus tan a, keep it as it is, minus, if we are taking minus common, minus and this minus will become plus, and here we will get tan 3a minus tan a. Hope you have got it. Whenever we are taking minus common, negative term will become positive and this positive will become negative. Keep this denominator as it is, tan 3a into tan a as it is. Now here we can observe that denominator of both the terms are what? Same. And since the denominator of both the terms are same, so we are taking addition of this numerator. 1 plus tan 3a into tan a divided by tan 3a minus tan a. So which is equals to, just now we have seen that to get our required result, in the denominator what will require? Tan 2a, and in the numerator 1. Means to get 1 in the numerator, we have to divide to this numerator by same expression. Means by what? 1 plus tan 3a into tan a, and if we are dividing to numerator, we have to divide to denominator also by same terms. So let us divide to numerator by 1 plus tan 3a into tan a. Means we are dividing to numerator by same expression, so in the numerator we will get 1. And since we are dividing to numerator, that's why we are dividing to denominator also by same term. Means we are dividing here by 1 plus tan 3a into tan a. Now observe the denominator very carefully. Check that it is in the form of, observe this denominator. Denominator is in the form of what? Formula of tan a minus b. What is the compound angle formula of tan a minus b? Its value is equal to tan a minus tan b divided by 1 plus tan a into tan b. So applying this formula, let us simplify the denominator. Check that it is in the form of tan a minus tan b upon 1 plus tan a into tan b. What is the value of a here? A is 3a and b is what? A. So according to this formula, this expression can be written as what? Tan a minus b. Means what we will get? Tan a. What is the value of a? 3a. Minus b. What is the value of b? B is here a. So which is equals to 1 upon tan, keep it as it is, 3a minus a will be equals to 2a, and we have got what? Tan 2a in the denominator. If we are taking reciprocal of tan, what we will get? Cot 2a, and which is nothing but our required result. So now observe the example number 13. Observe each and every term very carefully, because some adjustment we have to do here to get our required result. So here we have considered the left hand side, isn't it? So if you'll observe here, first term is what? Cos 7 degree. If we are able to, and such type of term does not appear in our required result, so we are trying to arrange the term in the form of double angle formula. What is the theta here? 7 degree. If I am able to arrange 2 sin 7 degree into cos 7 degree, so 2 sin 7 degree into cos 7 degree will become what? Sin 14 degree. Means applying double angle formula, and again here cos 14 degree is there, means we are able to simplify it. So try to understand the first step very carefully. Just simply I am multiplying to numerator by 2 sin 7 degrees. Keep remaining term as it is into cos 7 degrees. Keep all the terms as it is, cos 7 degrees into cos 14 degrees into cos 28 degrees into cos 56 degrees. So since I am multiplying, that's why I am dividing by what? 2 sin 7 degrees. I am multiplying by 2 sin 7 degrees. That's why I am dividing by 2 sine 7 degrees. Now observe this term. Is it in the form of 2 sine theta into cos theta? Yes, 2 sine theta into cos theta according to double angle formula will be equals to sine 2 theta. Theta is what here? 7. So 2 theta means twice 7 will be equal to 14 degrees. Now value of this expression will be equals to sine 14 degrees according to double angle formula. Keep remaining term as it is, into cos 14 degrees into cos 28 degrees into cos 56 degrees divided by 2 sine 7 degrees. So which is equals to, now again in the numerator, if I am able to arrange 2 here, so if I am able to arrange 2, so these 3 term will be in the form of 2 sine theta into cos theta. What's theta? 14. Here also 14. Means we are able to arrange the term in the form of double angle formula of sine. For that purpose we have to multiply to numerator by 2, and since we are multiplying to numerator by 2, so multiply to denominator also by 2. So multiply to numerator by 2. So what we'll get? 2 sine 14 degrees into cos 14 degrees. Keep remaining term as it is, cos 28 degrees into cos 56 degrees as it is. As I am multiplying to numerator by 2, that's why I am multiplying to denominator also by 2. So if I am multiplying by 2 here, we will get 4. And sine 7 can I write it as 90 minus 83. Yes, 90 minus 83 will be equal to what? 7. I am not disturbing to sign, just I am replacing 7 by what? 90 minus 83, because we know that 90 minus 83 will be equal to what? 7. Means 7 can be replaced by 90 minus 83. And why we are replacing 7 by 90 minus 83? Because in the denominator, if you will observe in the required result, in the denominator will require cos 83 degree. That's why we are trying to arrange the angle. Which angle? 83 degrees here. To get our required result, replace 7 degree by 90 minus 83 degree. Now let us simplify it. So which is equal to, in the numerator, so value of these 3 term according to double angle formula of sine. So 2 sine theta into cos theta is nothing but value of what? Sine 2 theta. So sine 2 theta, what is theta? 14. So 2 into 14 will be equal to 28. So 20 cos sine 28 degree will be the value of this term. Keep remaining term as it is, cos 28 degrees into cos 56 degrees, and in the denominator 4 keep it as it is. According to allied angle formula, sine 90 minus theta, 90 means what? Pi by 2, and if first term is pi by 2, sine will get converted into what? Cos. So its value will be equal to cos theta. Sine 90 minus theta will be equal to cos theta. What is theta here? 83 degrees. So in this way, in the denominator, we are able to arrange which term? Cos 83 degrees. So we have got the required result in the denominator. Numerical value we have got here 4, but in the required result we will require 16. Simplifying it, we are able to get 16 also in the denominator. Now again, if you will observe the numerator, here terms are in the form of sine theta into cos theta. What is theta? 28 degree, 28 degree. Now again, to arrange the term in the form of double angle formula, we will require 2 here, and to get 2 here, we have to multiply to numerator and denominator by 2. So let us multiply to numerator by 2. If I am multiplying to numerator by 2, we will get 2 into sine 28 degrees into cos 28 degrees into cos 56 degrees. In the denominator, since we are multiplying to numerator by 2, that's why we are multiplying to denominator by 2. Multiply by 2, here we will get 8 into cos 83 degrees. Now value of these 3 term according to double angle formulas, 2 sine theta into cos theta is sine 2 theta. Its value is equal to sine 2 theta. What is theta here? 28. So its twice is what? 56. Means here we will get sine 56 degrees into cos 56 degrees. Keep it as it is. In the denominator, 8 into cos 83 degrees also as it is. Now again, we are able to arrange the term in the numerator in the form of double angle formula if we are able to arrange here 2. Means if we are able to adjust 2 here, so what we will get? 2 sine theta into cos theta. Check that theta is 56, here also theta is 56. So simply we are multiplying to numerator by 2. So what we'll get if I am multiplying by 2? 2 sine 56 degrees into cos 56 degrees, and since we are multiplying to numerator by 2, that's why I'm multiplying to denominator by 2. So 8 into 2 will become 16 into cos 83 degrees. So in this way we have got our required denominator from the result, so which is equal to, now observe the numerator very carefully, 2 sin theta into cos theta will be sin 2 theta. Theta is 56, so its twice will be equals to what? 112 degrees. In the denominator, 16 into cos 83, keep it as it is. Now numerator we have got according to our required result, but what is numerator? Numerator is sin 68 degree. We have got denominator, isn't it? So now we have to simplify this sin 112 degrees to get what? Sin 68 degrees in the numerator. Again here, to simplify it, we are making the use of allied angle formula. Here in the numerator sin is there, and in required result also sin is there. So sin change नहीं होना चाहिए. अगर sin will get converted into what? Cos if first term is 90, but if first term is 180, value of sin will be sin. Hope you have got it. According to allied angle formula, if first term is what? 90 degrees, pi by 2, at that time sin will get converted into cos. लेकिन sin की value sin में ही रहने के लिए first term या तो pi या तो 2 pi, means pi means 180 degree. If first term is pi, value of sin remain as it is, means does not get converted into another trigonometric function. So that's why to remain sin as it is, this 112, can I write it as 180 degree minus 68 degrees? Check that this difference will be equals to 112. Yes, 180 minus 68 is equal to 112. So 112 can be written as 180 degree minus 60 degree. In the denominator, 16 into cos 83 degree, keep it as it is. So now terms in the numerator are in the form of sin 180. 180 means what? Pi. And sin pi minus theta will be equal to sin theta. So sin theta, what is theta here? 68 degrees. And in the denominator, 16 cos 83 degree as it is. So 180 minus means second quadrant, and in the second quadrant value of sin is what? Positive. So that's why here we have got plus sin 68 degree, and this is nothing but our required result. In this way we have completed first 13 example from question number 3. So total 19 examples are there, means now 14th, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, means total 6 examples are remaining. So these 6 examples we will discuss in the next lecture. So if you like the videos, please share these videos with your friends, and if you are new on the channel, subscribe the channel.